Okay, students, let's do some drawing together. Everyone should have a piece of paper or a page in their sketchbook and something to draw with. It could be pencil, crayons, markers. I'm going to be using the whiteboard to demonstrate the shapes that we're going to practice with today. Again, this is just practice. So if you don't get the shapes perfectly the first time, that's okay. So the first thing we're going to do is a square. To make a square, you can do it a couple different ways. You can do 2 lines down and then connect the sides across, because the square has 4 sides. Some students like to do it in a continuing line going around, where you go straight line down, across, up to the same height, and then back to connect the lines. So you could try both ways and decide which way that you like the best. So go ahead and try some squares. 4 sides, all of the same size. See if you can do about 3 or 4 squares on your paper. You want to make them tiny enough so we can fit some other shapes as well. Okay, the next shape we're going to try is the rectangle. And the rectangle also has 4 sides. But these sides have 2 long sides connected by 2 shorter ones. Again, some students might want to go all the way down long line, across short line, up to meet the other line, and then connect across. So go ahead and try some rectangles. Next, we're going to try a triangle. The triangle has a very pointy top and it has 3 sides. So I'm going to start at the top and do a diagonal line down and stop. Come back up to the top, do another diagonal line down the other side and stop, and then connect the 2 sides, the flat bottom. You might want to do it in a direct line, where you start at the pointy top and go down in a diagonal, drag it across, and then connect those 2 lines together. So go ahead and try some triangles. Now the next shape we're going to try is a circle. A circle doesn't have any sides. It's one continuous line that starts at one point and connects at the other. So a circle, we're going to go with a curved line down, keep it curving across, back up, and bring it all the way back up to connect. Try again. Do a couple of circles. Great job. The next shape we're going to try to draw together is called an oval. Now, an oval is like a circle, but it's a little bit longer. So we're going to start. It doesn't have any sides. It's going to keep going around. We're going to start at the top, and we're going to go down a little bit longer this time, and then come over, and then come back up to match the other side and connect at the center. See how the oval is a lot longer? Go ahead and try an oval. Now let's say you want to make a semicircle or half circle. For that, you would start to draw a circle by going up, over, almost like a rainbow, and back down, and then connect the 2 sides. Or you could start with the bottom by making a flat bottom, and then connect the rainbow on top. It's almost like a frown face connecting the 2 sides. That is called a semicircle. Then the last one is a kind of a tricky shape, but for this one you would do a long flat bottom, called a trapezoid, then a top short bottom, a top short top, and then connect each side. That is called a trapezoid. Let me do that again. Long bottom, short top, connect the 2 sides. That is called a trapezoid. Now save these shapes in this picture, because we're going to use these as a guide for our next project. Great job practicing trying shapes.